Hello, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW 5 Series M Sport Pro finished in metallic alpine white. This is a 2026 2-liter petrol plug-in hybrid with a fully automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features, so if you come along here to the side, we have our massive 21-inch wheels with red brake calipers. Following me now to the front, we of course have our BMW iconic kidney grills, our LED adaptive headlights in a Shadowline edition. Taking a look now to the sides, we have black gloss trims around the windows and on the bottom of the car as well. And here we have gloss black roofing. Coming out to the back, we of course have automatic opening boot functionality. And here we have plenty of compartment space. Taking a look now at the rear privacy windows as we enter the rear passenger seats. We have our leatherette finished in a burgundy red Venganza. We also have our M Sport stitching on the seat belts. We of course have our Isofix child seating support systems as standard. And if I take a seat, we have plenty of legroom space, some AC controls in the back, USB-C ports, and some extra compartment space in the sides of the doors. This 5 Series does come with electronic seat functionality. Taking a seat now in the driver's seat, push start. We are welcomed with our ambient lighting that you can configure in the settings. Here we have our instrument cluster with our speedometer and our fuel. To the left we have our infotainment menu with our home settings, navigation settings, media settings where we can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. I can here put it into reverse and you can see a panorama view of the rear. We have parking assist and our ultrasonic sound system as well as our sensors. We can also configure our climate controls for the dual climate control zones. Moving down, we have our carbon fiber with our high gloss silver thread accents. We have wireless charging, cup holders, USB-C ports, and here is our gear and transmission. For extra compartment space, we have the center for that. Moving on to our BMW flat bottom steering wheel, we have our cruise setting on the left and some media settings on the right. As this is an M Sport Pro, we do have our automatic paddle shifters. Now on the right we have electronic opening and closing windows and folding mirrors. This 5 Series does come with upgraded Harman and Kardon sound system. We of course have our BMW emergency call button. This stunning 5 Series is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various of our car selling websites. All BMW approved used cars come with a 2-year warranty. If you'd like to book an appointment and a test drive or have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Goodbye.